Logan? Baby, he's got his arms wrapped around her.
Logan!
You be a good boy. Be a good boy. Come on. Logan, stop it. Be a good boy. No, hitting Logie. We don't hit. She said, Logie's good boy right now. Hi, Mom.